Ito kasi yung common na tanong, paano mag-start ng vlogging? Wala akong mga gamit, wala akong computer, wala akong mamahaling camera. Pero gusto ko din i-try. Kaya lang hindi ako marunong. Okay, forget about Ivana Alawi, forget about Mr. Beast, and don't try to copy Nas Daily or kahit sinong mga sikat na vloggers ngayon. Because they are expert already at mahihirapan ka kung gagayahin mo sila. Take note, kompleto sila sa equipment, marami silang tools, marami silang pera, at higit sa lahat, knowledgeable na sila sa ginagawa nila. So just be yourself at gawin mo silang inspirasyon. But don't try to copy them. So paano? This is my practical and realistic advice. Find someone na nag-start pa lang din na kapareho ng niche mo, kapareho ng hilig mo, or kapareho ng mga video na gusto mong gawin. Hanapin mo sa YouTube yung mga vloggers na may 5,000 below na subscribers. Sila yung magiging model mo. Okay, so before we continue, let's first define blogging, vlogging, and content creation. Blogging uses written content as its primary form of communication. Think of articles, posts, and essays. While image and videos can enhance a blog, the text remains central. Vlogging relies on video as its main communication tool. Vloggers typically record themselves speaking directly to the camera, often incorporating other visual elements. While text descriptions might accompany a blog, the video itself is the focal point. Blogging and vlogging are both specific types of formats of content creation. Content creation is the broader term encompassing all forms of media production for an audience, while blogging and vlogging are specific methods within that broader category. Maraming types of content creation. Yun na nga yung blogging, in a written form, vlogging, visual or using videos, and podcast using audio. Second, let's discuss the types of vlogging. Number 1, lifestyle vlogging, documenting daily life, routines, and experiences. Number 2, travel vlogging, showcasing travel adventures and destinations. Number 3, food vlogging or mukbang, featuring food, recipes, and eating experiences. Number 4, beauty and fashion vlogging, focusing on makeup, skincare, fashion, and style. Number 5, gaming vlogging. Ito yung mga games, recording gameplay while commentary and analysis. Number 6, tech vlogging, reviewing technology products and trends. Number 7, educational vlogging, teaching or explaining specific topics. Number 8, comedy and entertainment vlogging, creating humorous and entertaining content. Number 9, review vlogs, providing opinions and insights on products or services. Sometimes TV shows, mga popular na tao ginagawa ng vlogs, mga artista. Number 10, fitness and health vlogging, sharing fitness routines, workouts, and health advice. Number 11, personal vlogging, documenting daily life in a more personal and less structured way. Number 12, motivational vlogging, inspiring and motivating viewers through personal stories and advice. Number 13, music vlogging, showcasing musical talents through covers, original songs, or behind-the-scenes content. Number 14, commentary or parody. And number 15, reaction videos. Many vloggers blend multiple categories, o yung iba mixed up. And third, let's assess what you can do. Ano ba ang kaya mong gawin? Kaya mo bang i-video ang sarili mo while talking about your lifestyle or your travels? Kaya mo bang i-video ang sarili mo while teaching or reviewing products? Or kaya mo bang i-video ang sarili mo while doing daily routine like exercising or dancing and singing? Take note that not everyone can do that. So if you are like me na mahiyain, you can try this. So yung fourth natin is try these practical and easy steps. This is a good start for beginners. Number 1, try slideshows of your favorite landscapes of photos and add details like name of the place, short history, and why you like this place. Number 2, try random videos of your favorite places or pets and upload it to your channel. Number 3, try to add voiceovers. Record your voice in 1 minute or 2 and incorporate it to your videos. Number 4, edit your videos and add funny sound effects. Number 5, practice small and private. Number 6, do it consistently and make sure you enjoy and having fun. Number 7, share it to your trusted friends when you are ready. Number 8, it's okay if it's not perfect. Nobody's perfect anyway. Number 9, be yourself. Number 10, never mind the negative comments, but make sure you'll improve. Number 11, learn more. Don't stop until you achieve your goal. And number 12, subscribe for more practical tips.